زكية and رانيا. وحشكم بزاف وانا بدأ يوما هي ما تنسوا تعملوا سبسكرايب قبل هتفرجوا هذا الفيديو. The ingredients that we'll be using today is 250 grams of flour, 130 grams of butter, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1.5 cup of orange juice, and some berries, and of course 400 ml of milk, and lastly the 2 eggs. Now let's start. First we're going to be cracking our eggs. Now let's start mixing. This ingredients that I'm making today is from France. I always make France ingredients because I really love them. You guys can write the comments that you want me to write another food or ingredients or another sweets from your country. You guys can write it down below in the comments. Just tell me it and I'll make it for you guys. After that, we're gonna be adding the butter. We need to mix very well so it will be more liquid, because now it's gonna be a little solid, as you guys can see. Let's just keep on mixing. Now we're gonna be adding 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate. Let's add it. Mix very well. After we're gonna be adding our flour, as you guys can see. Now let's go bring our sugar, and we're gonna be putting 2 teaspoons of sugar. Okay. Now let's mix. You guys need to mix very well because now it's becoming a little solid and it's sticking to the... Now we're gonna add the 1 tablespoon of our vinegar. After you add your 1 tablespoon of vinegar, you're gonna be adding your flour. The flour that I added right now is 250 grams of flour. Now when we have done that, we're gonna be taking our 400 ml milk. There you go, it became liquid, as you guys can see. And from now on, we're gonna be putting it in the batter, and after the batter, we're gonna be making our syrup. Now that the waffle batter has been hot, now we're gonna take the big spoon and put some. Now when that is cooking, we're gonna be taking our orange juice. Put that first in. Now we're gonna take our berries. And we're gonna take 2 tablespoons of sugar. 1, 2. Let's start mixing. After when we mix, let's check out our waffles. There it is. Now we need to wait 2 minutes more. After 4 minutes, let's take it out. Let's take the other one. For 5 minutes, we're gonna be taking away our spoon, and we're gonna put our syrup in the cup. Let's take the waffles away. Mix it very well. Do not forget to make subscribe المطبخ زكية and رانيا and مطبخ ياقوت, or I would say مطبخ الصغيرة ياقوت. Now it is ready, so I'm gonna be putting it for a few minutes and after I'm gonna come back. Now let's close our machine. After we leave our sauce in the fridge, let's take it out. And we're gonna be taking our orange, put one here, and we're gonna put one here. That's it. Here are the finals. It is very, very, very pretty. Okay. I really love it and it's very, very yum. عملوا subscribe, عملوا make a thumbs up and عملوا لي like. Come back for another video from مطبخ زكية and رانيا. أشوفكم مرة أخرى.